That deep, low rumble in your stomach? It's not always a hunger signal. It's your digestive system running a maintenance cycle called the migrating motor complex. Every few hours, powerful waves of muscle contractions sweep through your stomach and intestines, clearing out leftover food, bacteria, and mucus. The sound you hear is gas and fluid being pushed through tight spaces. But here's the unsettling part. This cleaning cycle only happens when you're not eating. So if you ignore it or snack constantly, your gut never gets to reset, and that can set the stage for bloating, overgrowth, and digestive issues. Please follow, like, and share, because that random growl is your gut's way of protecting you.